Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PayPal virtual card. Many of us love the convenience of online shopping, but we also want to keep our financial information safe. A PayPal virtual card is a fantastic tool that helps you do just that. It allows you to make purchases without directly exposing your main credit or debit card numbers. We'll go over exactly what it is, how to get it set up, and the best ways to use it for a more secure and worry-free shopping experience. Getting started with your virtual card is quite straightforward. First, make sure your PayPal account is properly linked to a funding source, like your bank account or a credit card, as this is what the virtual card will draw from. Then, you'll typically find the option to generate a virtual card within your PayPal account's payment methods or wallet section. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to quickly create a temporary card number whenever you need one for a transaction. Using your virtual card for online purchases is just like using any other credit or debit card, but with added security. When you're ready to check out on a website, simply choose the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Then, instead of your physical card details, you'll input the unique virtual card number, its expiration date, and the CVV code that PayPal provides. It's a seamless process, and your payment will be securely routed through your PayPal account, keeping your primary financial details private. The main advantage of using a PayPal virtual card is the significant boost in your online security. Your actual credit or debit card numbers are never exposed to the merchant, greatly reducing the risk of fraud. It's particularly useful for shopping on new websites or for one-off purchases. For the best protection, consider generating a fresh virtual card number for each transaction or for different merchants. This simple practice adds an extra layer of defense, giving you peace of mind while you shop online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.